The recent crypto market crash that happened on May 19th will be remembered as one of the steepest market crashes in the history of the crypto markets. Bitcoin, the world's most famous cryptocurrency, lost its value by over 40% within a span of 24 hours as per CoinMarketCap. Most other cryptocurrencies also saw a major dip in their prices. However, the crypto markets recovered quite rapidly. One crypto by the name of Terra Luna especially showed promising returns after the crash. Hey everyone, you're watching Crypto University, where you get all the latest news about crypto, blockchain, and NFTs. Make sure to watch the video until the end and hit that like button if you find it informative and unique. Also be aware of the scam comments in the comment section. Don't give anyone your personal info or even sign on to an anonymous site. We'll never ask you to contact us on WhatsApp. In this video, we're going to talk about Luna, some recent news, the price predictions, and most importantly, what does the richest man, Musk, think of Terra? Because as a surprise, there are things that you desperately need to know about this incredible coin, which is said to be one of the sharpest and the strongest so far in altcoins. LUNC's first major price bump occurred in the last week of June, during which it rallied by more than 180%. The cryptocurrency has since then shed more than half of those gains, but the bulls made a comeback majorly in the last 24 hours of July 15th. As a result, its price jumped by more than 20% in just a few hours. LUNC's rally in the last 24 hours comes amid outflows recorded by the money flow indicator. Meanwhile, the RSI pushed above the 50% level, confirming healthy bullish momentum. This upside occurred shortly after it was revealed that one address purchased roughly 8.5 billion LUNC and then sent it to an address with over 2.6 trillion LUNC. Elon Musk's support for Terra, surprising, and yes, that is helping it. On 30th June, Elon came up with a tweet saying LUNC looks interesting. And boy, the tweet got everyone hooked in, and the massive support and hype was on. Terra certainly looked in a different galaxy after the pressing support and tweet from Elon Musk. He literally surprised the desperate crypto community and most importantly the Terra Classic consumers, as they were hoping for a good hike, and the community is very strong, and now the Luna Classic is a community token, and the community will start burning. After that massive show of support, the Luna Classic burning was firing, with 1.1 billion Luna, and in just 24 hours, 1.1 billion Luna Classic was transferred to the burn wallet. Next bullish phase, although it was not confirmed whether the receiving address belongs to Binance, the exchange's CEO CZ confirmed a few days ago that a burn is necessary. This might point towards better times ahead for LUNC if its supply reduces significantly courtesy of a token burn. LUNC has other things going for it. For example, outflows from its supply held by whales bottomed out at 43.57% on 12th June and increased to 43.78% by press time. This confirms that whales have been buying LUNC in the last 3 days, thus the bullish pressure build up. In fact, the volume also saw a significant increase over the last 24 hours of 15th July. Terra Classic developers have been hard at work to bring the network back to its former glory. The development activity metric registered a strong uptick since 7th July. This is a healthy sign not only for the network but also for LUNC's price action. This is because evidence of healthy development encourages investors to buy more, especially if the underlying asset is heavily discounted. Terra Classic is already doing a good job of rebuilding its reputation. However, it has a long way to go, but scheduled burns along the way are expected to support its recovery. Let's get started with the first news. Terra Luna Classic accepted as a payment in StarShip universe. As a result of USD's depegging from the dollar, the stablecoin Luna was forced to issue billions of its partner tokens to preserve equilibrium algorithmically. Billions of dollars in worth were wiped away in days due to the supply glut, leaving many investors with an unpleasant reality. They believed that Terra would react by burning some of this extra Luna to restore the peg and hence restore the value of their currency Luna. In place of this, a hard fork was announced that would identify LUNC as the originating token with the initial supply and stablecoin, pairing and creating a new token, Luna, with a supply of 1 billion and no stablecoin coupling. Most validators voted in favor of the hard fork, which was released on May 28th. However, most token holders redoubled their request to burn the surplus supply instead, despite the plan being backed by a majority of validators. StarShip just released a teaser showcasing gameplay footage from the next biggest metaverse ever created. The meta universe is 32,000 square kilometers of buildable area powered by the new Unreal 5 engine, provides an unprecedented change for long-term development and expansion. StarShip's collaboration with LUNC has led to the implementation of the cryptocurrency as a payment method inside its ecosystem, which means that it will burn 1.2% of the total amount of LUNC which is received for these payments. LUNC will be implemented into the StarShip ecosystem as one form of payment within StarShip universe, burning 1.2% of all LUNC received for these payments. Additionally, the LUNC Prop 3568, which proposed a 1.2% burn tax, was approved by voters on Sunday. To the delight of the token holders, this will begin to diminish the number of current tokens when they are traded. Terra Luna price prediction. While crypto price predictions can be difficult, many crypto experts have given their take on Luna price forecasts for the future. As per RippleCoin news, Terra Luna could reach a price of more than $25 by the end of 2021. They also predict that the price of Luna could reach $40 by the end of 2022. Wallet Investor predicts that the price of Luna could reach up to $35 by the end of 2021. However, these price predictions should be taken with a grain of salt, especially given the recent crypto crash, which only goes to show that crypto markets are highly unstable. LUNC price forecasts for 2023. If Terra Classic witnesses a major push by big money holders or whales, LUNC might eliminate a zero from its price tag. Successively, the digital token might hit its potential high of $0.000366 by the end of 2023. On the other hand, if the project falls prey to the bears, LUNC's price might land at a minimum of $0.001613. Constrained by the linear rate of price propulsion, the average price might find its base at $0.002809. Terra Classic forecast for 2024. Terra Classic's LUNC might ascend to a maximum of $0.006392 if it manages to hold on to its prominence against the Terra Luna. However, if the crypto industry undergoes major reforms with regulatory clampdowns by governments across the globe, LUNC's price might sink down to the lows of $0.000296. That said, the regular price might land at $0.004015. LUNC price prediction for 2025. The coin market industry will spectate numerous changes by the end of 2025. If Terra Classic sees impetus from the team or comes across a revival plan, the price of LUNC might chug up to a maximum of $0.00108 by the end of 2025. In contrast, if the digital asset finds a lack of development and impetus, the price might land at $0.000511. That said, the average price might land at $0.008153. That wraps up the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay notified about our uploads. I'll see you in the next time. Until then, peace out.